Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on placing a hold for DVDs or sheet music from the Learning Resources Center, or LRC for short. Our materials are housed under the Professional Library, which means that you can place a hold through Follett Destiny. But how do we do that? Well, let's find out. First, from the DCSD landing page, click on the rocket icon located down here to start Launchpad. When you're prompted, click on Login with Active Directory. You will then be shown your Launchpad starting page. You can either click on the Follett Destiny icon on your favorites list if you have that set up, or by scrolling down the app list and clicking it from there. From here, we'll be presented with the Destiny homepage for your school site. Currently, I'm listed as Salem Middle, but we need to switch over to the Professional Library. I can do that by clicking on the cogwheel and selecting the Cat Professional Library to change my view. Now, click on Catalog at the top of the search page, and we are presented with a familiar face here. But before we can start our search, make sure that the sublocation is set to LRC, so that your search results are strictly DVDs and sheet music found in the LRC catalog. Well, now that our search settings are ready, let's type in our query. I'm going to need an Arthur DVD for my class. So I'm just going to search the word Arthur. This may take a few moments because we do have quite a bit of materials and the titles often have multiple chapters. Clearly that is the case happening right now. And so we have a list of several options that I have for Arthur. I want to try to find something about friendship and school. So I'm going to try clicking Arthur Goes Back to School. I can get there from the title or by clicking on the Details button next to it. I'm taken to the information page for that title, and based on its title it says that Arthur and his friends, hey, they go back to school and are learning about friendship. This is perfect. I want to hold this title. How do I do that? There's a conveniently located button on the right hand side called Hold It. Go ahead and click on that button, and you'll be greeted with a message that says, a hold has been requested for your title. Once you see that message, that means you're pretty much done. The next step is for the teacher librarian of your school site to approve the hold. That in turn notifies the LRC staff that there are items ready to be shipped or that will be picked up by the client, aka you, once you've placed the order. I hope this has helped.